All right, Chris. Chris has got him a sturgeon. Oh, oh,
There he goes.
oh, he's not happy.
Oh, there he goes.
Don't point it this way. Keep it over there. If you get hung up in this shit, you're going to break off. Look at the bubbles. That's where he is. See the bubbles out there?
Yeah.
That's where he is. I bet he's only like 4 or 5 foot. Keep fighting him now. He'll wear out.
Son of a bitch.
He's just a little one though.
Yep.
Can you imagine a big one? Watch you really, man. He'll be 8 foot. Oh, see that bubble that came from him?
Yep.
He's gonna come up. Yep,
Yep,
he's
there
coming
he
up.
is.
There he. Oh, he's tail wrapped. He's a 5 footer, probably 4 footer, 4.5, 5 foot. He's tail wrapped. Get around him. Oh, he's wrapped all around his body.
All over.